Hello, my name is Thelma Monteiro. I am part of Portugal team. In my capacity as IOC ambassador for the prevention of manipulation in competition, I would like to send you a message. I have never cheated. Judo is a combat sport, a face-to-face confrontation. Everyone gives the best of oneself within the rules, and wherever the result, both fighters must feel like they have given their all. Never allow yourself to be approached by anyone, coach, athlete or any other person that would suggest for you to lose your fight. Integrity is an undisputable value. If you are tempted and you respond favorably, you will regret all your life. Corruption, in addition to moral problem, can lead to disciplinary sanctions, some of which can be irreversible and fatal to your sporting and professional career. I encourage athletes and coaches to participate in the IOC e-learning sessions, which will be organized in May 2021, and also all judo populations to attend the IOC educational webinars. If you are under pressure from a group or a person, you can testify anonymously on the platform Clean Judo that you will find in the IGF website, or contact an IGF official. The International Judo Federation will assist you to support you.